Good morning, students. I, Nidhi Modi, your maths teacher, again welcomes you all in the Google Classroom. Today, we will start the chapter, the revision of this chapter, addition of numbers. But before we move to this due revision, I would like to take a quick recap of what we have done in the previous video. And you know what I will do right now, students? We'll have an activity. Okay, so are you all ready? I want everyone to get ready with a pencil and a sheet of paper or maybe a copy, any rough copy. And then I will start the activity. And this activity is actually related to the topics that I have covered in my last revision video. Are you all ready, students? It's going to be interesting. Okay, you have to listen to me very carefully. Okay? You have to find the numbers. I'm giving you the clues and you have to find the number. I hope everyone is ready with the pencil. Okay. Okay, the first question, student, is write a 3-digit number where 5 is in the hundreds place and 2 is in the tens place and the number in the ones place is the sum of the digit in the hundreds place and tens place. Did you get the question? Okay, I'm repeating it once again. Write a 3-digit number where 5 is in the hundreds place and 2 is in the tens place and the number in the ones place is the sum of the digit in the hundreds place and tens place. So what is the answer? Have you written 527? Yes, the answer is 527 because when you add 5 and 2 you get 7. Okay, the next question is write a 2-digit number when 9 is in the ones place and face value of the number in the tens place is 2. Very simple. So is your answer 29? Okay, good. Now the third question. Write a 3-digit number where in hundreds place the digit is twice the digit in the ones place and the digit in the tens place is 0. Did you get the question? I am repeating once again. Write a 3-digit number where in hundreds place the digit is twice the digit in the ones place and the digit in the tens place is 0. So, is your answer 603? Yes. Okay, your answer can you have a different answer? Can you think of a different answer? 603, then 201, isn't it? Any other answer you can have? Can you think of any other answer? So, it is 603 or 201. Okay, the next question. Write a 3-digit number where the digit in the tens place is the difference between the digit in the hundreds place and ones place. Digit in the hundreds place is 8 and the digit in ones place is the half of the digit in the hundreds place. Are you getting the answer? Okay, I'm repeating once again. Write a 3-digit number where the digit in the tens place is the difference between the digit in the hundreds place and ones place. Digit in the hundreds place is 8, so it is given. And the digit in the ones place is half of the digit in the hundreds place. So it is 844, isn't it? So how many of you got all the 4 answers correct? Okay, give a pat at your back and ask your mother to make your favorite meal. Okay, so that is your reward. This was just a quick recap of whatever we have done in the previous revision video. It's always good to revise what we have done in the previous class. Okay, so today we will start with a new revision, that is addition of numbers. Now can you see, I have written over here, there is a cricket match scoreboard. Read the cricket match scoreboard. Okay, so team A has scored. So this is the score of team A and this is the score of team B. Okay, now if I tell you to tell me the total score of team A as well as the total score of team B. So what you will do? You will add it, isn't it? So let us add it. Let us add for team A. So it is 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 0 is 0. Then 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. So the score is 86. Over here, 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. Now this is a 2-digit number. So what we do? We put 2 over here and carry forward the next number to the next place value. So it is 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. So which team has won the match? It is team B, isn't it? Because team B has scored more than team A. Okay. Now if you notice, addition is a very important concept and require addition in your everyday life also. Now students, we will learn about regrouping. What is regrouping? Regrouping means splitting to separate. And when this happens, when the sum obtained of any 2-digit number is sum obtained of any 2 or 3-digit number is a 2-digit number, then we require to regroup it. And regrouping means to splitting or to separate. We will be solving this with the help of the examples that I have taken over here. Okay, come to this question first. Okay, so this is the ones room. Let us consider it as a room. This is tens room and this is the hundreds room. Add it. 1 plus 3, 4. 2 plus 5, 7, and 4 plus 5, 9. Okay, over here 9 plus 4 is 13. So did you see the number obtained, the sum obtained is a 2-digit number. So over here the regrouping will happen. So 13 is actually 1 tens and 3 ones, isn't it? So when we are regrouping, we keep the digit that is in the ones place in the ones room only. 3 ones, isn't it? And this is actually tens. So we give this tens to the tens room. So it creates its own room over here and it comes over here. 1. So tens should be in the tens room, isn't it? So this is also called carry forward. So 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 7, again 10. Again it is 10. So it is actually 1 tens and 0 ones. So sorry. It is 10 tens, isn't it? Because it is in the tens place. Are you understanding? If I write over here 10, that means it is 10 tens. Okay. So what do you mean by 10 tens? 100. 10 into 10. Isn't it? Now, whatever is in the tens place. What is in the tens place? 0. So 0 will be here. And what is in the hundreds place? 1. So this 1 will go over here. Because the room of 100 is over here. Isn't it? So it will come and make its own room and stay here. Okay, so now add 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. Did you understand? Okay, I am explaining it once again. Regrouping happens when the sum of 2 or more than 2 digit is a 2-digit number. So when I was adding here, we found that 4 plus 9 is 13. Now 13 is a 2-digit number. You cannot write 13 over here like that. So 13 is actually 1 tens and 3 ones. Now this is a ones room. You can only write the digit which is in the ones over here. So you will write 3. Okay, and this is the tens number. So it will go to the tens room. So 1 over here and it will get added with the rest of the numbers. So your answer is again 10. Now 10, I cannot write it over here 10. So it is actually 10 tens. Isn't it? 10 tens means 100. Again this in 100, in the tens place, what is the value? 0. So it will come over here. And 1 is in the hundreds place. It will shift to its own room, which is the hundreds room. And then we will add. So we find the answer at 703. Did you get, students? Okay, let me solve you a few more questions. Then you will understand it properly about the room thing. Okay. This is when you cannot enter into others' room, isn't it? Okay, these are the separate rooms of 100, tens and ones. Okay, I have taken this, and let us take another example. Suppose I write here 395, okay, plus 427. Okay, now let us add it. What is 5 plus 2? Sorry, what is 5 plus 7? 5 plus 7 is 12. 12 means 1 tens and 2 ones. You have already you have done this, tens and ones, isn't it? So it is 1 tens and 2 ones. So 1 tens will go into the tens room. So over here it has created a room and it is written 1. And this 2 will be over here because 2 is in the ones place. So everyone will go to their own room. Now add it. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 2. So 1 plus 9 plus 2. 12, isn't it? So it is 12 tens. Because you are getting this answer under the tens column. But you cannot write it over 12 over here. So what is 12 tens? It is actually 12 into 10. It is actually 120. Okay, you cannot directly write 120 over here. Now what is 0? So what is in the tens place? Tens place you have 2. So the 2 will come into its own place. But it will not accept 1 because it will go to its own room. So 1 is will go in the hundreds room. Okay, it has created its room and it has come over here. So 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. So your answer is 822. When we are doing addition like this, then it is actually addition by regrouping. And this was the addition without regrouping, where there was no carry forward of the numbers. There was no carry forward. Here we are carrying the numbers of the subsequent place values. Did you understand, students? Or should I do more exercises? Okay, let us do more. Now I will give you the number and I will give you the clues for the number and you write down the number. Okay, write a 3-digit number where 5 is in the tens place. Written, everybody? I want that when you are sitting for the maths video, you sit with your pencil and a sheet of paper, a rough copy, because in between I will give you a few exercises and which will make your work interesting, and I think you will learn better. Okay, so make a 3-digit number in which maybe 5 is in the tens place. Okay, so write 5 is in the tens place. 4 is in the hundreds place. Okay, and the number in the ones place is 0 maybe. Okay, so the number is 450. Now add this number to a number in which in tens place you have 9. In the ones place you have 9. In the tens place you have 7. And in the hundreds place you have 3. Okay, solve this. Solve it. So 0 plus 9. I want students to solve along with me, or you can solve before me and then you can cross check the answer. 0 plus 9, 9. So no regrouping over here. Now what is 5 plus 7? 5 plus 7 is 12. Again it is a 2-digit number. So 12 actually means 12 tens, which is 120. So what is in the tens place? 2. So it will remain there only. The 2 will not go to any other room. Okay. Now 1 is in the hundreds place. So it will go into the hundreds room and create its own room and will get added. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. I hope students your addition with regrouping is clear. No doubt in this. And if you want to practice more sums, you can go through your book and practice from that. Students, now take out your mental maths book, activity 6. Please take it out. Okay, and come to activity 6, which is on page number 9. Okay, now the question is, fill in the correct numerals and do the sum. So when it is sum, that means we have to add it. So the first question is 3000s plus 14 tens plus 6 ones. So how will you do this? You will write 3000s as 3000. Okay, 14 tens. What do you mean by 14 tens? That is 14 into 10, 140, isn't it? And 6 ones means 6 into 1, 6. Add it and write the answer over here. So what will be the answer? What will be the answer? Okay, let us add it over here. 3000 plus 140 plus 6. Students, whenever you are adding a number, make sure that you are putting the digits one after the another. Okay, like in 3000, don't write 140 like 140 like this over here. Okay, it should be like, if I mark, this is tens, 100, tens, sorry, this is 1000, 100, tens and ones. So write the digit one after the another. Like whatever is in the ones place, we will write in a sequence. Whatever is in the tens place, we will write one after the another. This is very important. So your answer is 3146. Okay, the next question. The next question is 8000. So it is 8000 plus 15 hundreds, 9 tens. So how will you do this? 15 hundreds, 9 10. So it is 15 hundreds. So it is 1500 and 9 tens. So you will add 90. 15 hundreds, 9 tens. It means when you add it, it will be 1590. 15 hundreds, 9 tens. So whenever this type of thing is written, like in this format, you will write 15 hundreds, 9 tens, which is 90, and add it. So it is 1590. And what you have to add in this? 8000. So add it. So it is 0 plus 0, 0, 9, 5, 1 plus 8, 9. So it is 9590. Okay. The next question is 76 hundreds plus 4 tens. So 7600 is 76 into 100. So it is 7600 plus 4 tens. 4 tens means 40. So when you add it, it is 7640. 7600, okay, plus 40. When you add it, it will be 7640. Is it clear, students? This is a very important pattern for your test. If we have online test, or maybe when the school reopens, these are very important question pattern. Okay, now come to next page, activity 7. Okay, here are a few word problems. Okay, I will do A. I'm reading it out. 702 dolphins, 2,488 penguins and 1,309 octopus were found in a public aquarium. How many of them altogether are there altogether? So what you will do, you will add all these three numbers. Now see, students, I want you to do this word problem as a homework in the mental maths book itself. Okay, so in the next class, we will discuss the answer. Is it clear, students? And for today, I have given you an assignment, which the Google form, like the last time. You attempt that, complete it and submit it. Okay, So I hope students, my class was interesting and I was able to explain you the concepts clearly of regrouping and how to regroup the numbers, then about the rooms, so that you are able to learn it in a better way and these kind of patterns. So hope to meet you again in the next Google Classroom, students. Thank you for now.